Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to see what your followers are actually searching for on TikTok in order to leverage on the content gap and create something that your followers actually and really want to watch on TikTok. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner right here. Go ahead and click on TikTok Studio. Then go ahead and slide this way. Continue to slide. Then go ahead and click on search by followers. And with that, you found out what exactly your followers are actually searching for on TikTok. From here, you can leverage and create more meaningful topic based on your followers searching. And you can also add it in favorite. For instance, if I want to add how to direct buy from manufacturer right here, which is popular search right here. These are popular search by my followers. I will simply click on here to favorite it. Once I favorite it, this means that I can use it to create a next video. And you can also click on get more inspiration right here. This will give you more insight about what your followers are actually searching for on TikTok. Scroll down right here and then you see everything right here. The more you scroll down, the more you scroll down, the more you see everything they are actually searching for. And this will enable you to create more meaningful content around what your follower actually want to watch on TikTok. It's that simple. If you find this tutorial useful, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to grow faster on TikTok, consider to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.